Hey y'all, good morning. It is a beautiful morning here in south central Oklahoma. I hope y'all are having some great weather as well. It is December 30th. It's my son's birthday. So happy birthday, Braden, if you're watching this. The weather out here is about 34 degrees, but it doesn't feel cold at all because there's no wind. Usually there's tons of wind in Oklahoma, so if it's 40, it feels 20. But no, it feels really good this morning. I'm out here with the goats, getting my morning fix for the goats. I love just coming out here and just spending some time with the animals, the goats, the dogs, the cows. I don't really have a whole lot in this video to do other than just bring you guys along on what I'm going to be doing this morning. Do y'all see Yelena? It's kind of funny. Every morning I come out here and look at her. Let me show y'all. And the dew gets her wet, and then she gets all over the dirt and she gets muddy. She looks muddy, but she's not really. It's not too bad. She thinks she can still fit through there. She can't fit through there anymore. So this goat right here is the one in my last video I was talking about that had a slight limp, looked like she had a hurt leg. And I found out, I was watching, I found out that it was just Jenny playing with her. Jenny kept playing with her and she might have tweaked something, maybe. But she's fine, she was running, she's back to normal. Bella, you want to get in there and play with them? No? She wants out. Good morning, crybaby. Don't walk away. Hello, bottle cap. How are you this morning? So this is the one I was talking about right here. She's fine. I think it was just her and Jenny playing around and she kind of tweaked her leg a little bit. I do want to talk about one little question that was asked the other day in one of my videos, that somebody left a comment and asked why we ear tag, or what are ear tags. Simplest way for me to put it is we tag for identification purposes here on the farm, but then also if you ever take your goats to a meat auction or a meat processing plant, they have to be tagged so that that goat can be backtracked where it came from. If there's ever any problems, they'll be able to backtrack it and come to your farm and inspect your farm, stuff like that. It's just regulation stuff. Oh, really, Silas? Really? That's Snow White on the right, and her baby from last year. Her name is Beauty. Good job, Jenny. Good girl. This is one of our newer goats. This is York. We call her York. I think she's pretty. Can't wait to see what kind of baby she's gonna have. Okay, I gotta go get some stuff done. I'll be back later, okay? You gonna wait right there, Silas? Okay, we'll go over here and take a look at the bucks real quick, see how they're doing this morning. Dogs are mad because I'm walking away. I guess they kind of like me. I need to hurry up and get some stuff done. I've got a couple appointments I got to make it to today. So one thing I did want to come out here and do today is give some hay to the cows. I need to move a bale of hay out to the cows, and we'll go get that done here in a minute. Hello, Mr. Chip. Hello, Megatron. So for y'all that are new to the channel, Megatron was born this past April or March, I can't remember, maybe March. And Chip was born last 2 Junes ago, so Chip's about 1.5 years. Megatron's about 10 months. Nope, 8 months. I do like to leave this little wheelbarrow in here. I know y'all can't see what's inside there, but when I use this to move the hay to put in there. That's full of hay right there. And then their hay pile is right here. And I'll grab this hay right here and put it in there, and they'll eat on it all day. That was put in there late yesterday. But I like to use this wheelbarrow, and I leave it in there because there's a lot of leftovers and seeds and stuff like that in there, and they like to get in there and eat it, so I'll let them. Good morning, ladies. How are y'all? Good morning, Gwen. How are you doing? You want to say hi? You want to say hi to YouTube? Oh, Elena made it out. Silas is jealous. Come on. Let's go. Oh, there you are. Well, good morning. Yeah. You ready for some breakfast? Okay, y'all can kind of see what the cows have left from the last bale. So it went from that to this, and they'll still eat through this. I saw them eating through it last night. So a lot of this will be wasted, but that's just part of it. And then that there, this part right here is where obviously where the hay was sitting on the ground. They typically don't eat that, but they'll eat around it. That's all there is to it, though. They'll be over here eating on it later today. I got really close to my fence. Barely missed it. What do you think, Dixie? Did you enjoy breakfast? Yeah? So I moved the cows. I got them eating over there now where it's fresh grass, fresh area, because they will damage whatever area you consistently feed them in. So I'm going to switch it up, let this kind of recoup. That's why I moved it down here and fed them over here. And then sometimes I work along that fence line too, along the driveway. What'd you think, Glenn? Was that pretty good breakfast? It's like eating ice cream, isn't it? You want to tell YouTube bye? We gotta go. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it's kind of a short, kind of random video. I just had to get a few things done. I love coming out here and just enjoying Mother Nature. It's not much better than just spending time on your own farm, your own piece of property, watching the animals, things like that. Oh, we're walking in shade. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a like and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And if you're new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button for me. Hopefully you guys have a great new year, and hopefully this next coming year, 2022, is better than 2020 and 2021. I know a lot of us have struggled for the past couple of years. I've been doing okay. Hopefully you guys have done okay the past 2 years. I know with everything that's going on, there's people out there struggling, so let's just say a quick prayer for them, and hopefully 2022 will be better. All right, you guys remember, do the good.